Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use Caudalie Resveratrol Lift. This innovative skincare line is designed to visibly firm and lift your skin, reducing the appearance of wrinkles. It harnesses a patented blend of resveratrol, hyaluronic acid, and a vegan collagen alternative to deliver powerful anti-aging benefits. Understanding its core components is the first step to maximizing its potential for a more youthful complexion. For optimal results, always start with a clean canvas. After cleansing and toning your skin, take a small, pea-sized amount of the Caudalie Resveratrol Lift product. Warm it slightly between your fingertips, then gently apply it to your entire face and neck. Use light, upward motions to help the product absorb fully and stimulate circulation, ensuring even distribution. To achieve the best outcomes, incorporate Caudalie Resveratrol Lift into your daily skincare regimen, both in the morning and at night. Apply it after any serums, but before heavier creams, or use it as your primary moisturizer. Consistency is truly key. Regular application helps to continuously support your skin's firmness and elasticity, leading to more noticeable improvements over time. To further enhance your results, consider pairing Caudalie Resveratrol Lift with other products from the same line, like the eye cream or serum, for a comprehensive anti-aging approach. Remember that a healthy lifestyle, including a balanced diet and plenty of water, also significantly contributes to radiant skin. For more great deals and to check out the new Kindle Paperwhite, be sure to look for the link in the description below.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.